standard deviation. And the upper bound is the mean plus z times the standard deviation. For the mean, they gave it to you. It is 1.5 minutes. For the standard deviation is 0.5 minutes. And z, we saw it in the table. It was 1.966. There is a table of normal distribution law, and given a seuil of confidence, a threshold for confidence, we could get the z, the corresponding z. So this one. Okay, that is it. 0.52 and 2.48. Why they choose this answer? Any question?
I'm good. Oh, hang on. Let me read. So we have lower bound. Yes. We have upper bound. Yes, I understand this.
Okay.
Got it.
Question 8. You investigate the amount of money football players make a week.
Oh, wait. For question number 7. Sorry, I didn't see the number 7. Oh, okay. So basically, you need to compute the lower bound and upper bound, and that's it, right?
Yes, to get an interval.
Oh, so that is called the interval.
The confidence interval, yeah.
Oh, confidence interval. Okay. Okay. After this session, could you help me title this section confidence interval so I remember the formula later on?
I don't understand. What do you need?
Oh, so basically, just please help me add the line in here, say confidence interval in the notebook here, so I remember next time. So here, you know, like just add one line confidence interval.
Okay.
Yes.
But it's not book. It is a.
Yes, that's all I need. Thank you so much. Yeah, because
it is the notebook of the quiz 13.
Yeah, that's all I need. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I think it will help me to remember this for a while now before I start forgetting again. Okay, so let's do number 8.
Okay.
Sorry. Could you scroll up again, please?
Yeah.
You investigate the amount of money football player make a week. The mean is equal 100,000. The standard deviation is equal this for a bit. Oh, okay. So it's basically this this formula again, right? So
It is a little bit different.
Z-score.
You remember how to compute the Z-score?
Oh, Z-score, no, sorry. Could you help me write out in the
Yeah, it is the observation minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. But yeah.
Okay, observation minus the mean.
Yeah.
Okay. So observation is 100,000.
For Messi?
Yes.
Okay.
Minus the mean. We don't know the mean, but we can find out is from this point, and this point is so it's equal 20 what is it? 200,000. Hang on, is it 200,000? 220 minus 100. right? 220 minus 100 divided by 2, it would be the mean.
Wait a minute. The mean is 100,000. The standard deviation is 50.
Oh, it's only the mean here. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, so we have the mean, we have the standard deviation. Then we need to find out. Oh, we have the observation, which is this one. Oh, we
no.
then.
This
So
is Ronaldo points.
yes. So basically, it's the 200. Hang on, 220,000 minus 100,000, and divide by the standard deviation is 50,000. Yes, I got it.
That is the value for Ronaldo, but they ask you the value for Messi. Maybe it is a mistake. When you compute, you got the result.
Pardon?
When you make the computation, did you get the right?
That's right. Because I asked one of the teacher assistant in the group. I mean in my class, and I think it's 2.4. Yes, so it's good.
So they made a mistake in the problem. Instead of Ronaldo, they said Messi.
Oh, okay.
So
okay.
Ronaldo got his value. Messi got also his value for earnings.
I see.
Here you use the observation of Ronaldo to compute the z-score of Messi. Okay.
Okay.
Let me get.
Okay. Yeah, this program, they have tons of errors. It's terrible. But anyway, let's move on. Okay. So question number 9. On average superposition. Okay, let me try again. So this is the formula probability without repetition, right? Because when the parents have like either child girl a boy, then they would have to move on. So let me think a little bit. Okay, so basically the first time is either girl or boy. Okay. And the third time, I remember when I do this question, the third time it could be like they remove I forgot, like something like they remove the girl, and then they sorry, I forgot. But I remember it's like without repetition, so they remove it, something like that.
They remove something. They said that the parents should get exactly 3 children.
Yes. So one children is boy, so so one children must be boy, so that they remove one.
Yeah, these 3 children, 3 girls and 1 boy.
Yes. So they remove. So the last probability they minus the boy or something like that. That's what I remember I was doing. So the first one is yes. So the first one is 0.52. The second one is also 0.52. The third one is also, yes, 3 times, yes. Oh, that's it? That's it, the answer? I thought like they removed something. Oh, yes. Yes, okay, got it. No, I think it's a plus.
A plus, why?
Oh, because it's a sum, right? So the first one is 0.52. The second is also the third one is also the fifth one is has to be the boy. So it's a plus one minus 0.52.
You could consider it as a binomial distribution. Either it is a girl, either it is a boy. If it is a girl, it is a success. And the probability of success is 0.52. The number of trials is 4. So if you should make the computation, the probability of exactly 3 successes is equal to the combination. It is 4 trials. So you get 4. And between these 4 trials, you want to get three girls. Exactly 3 girls. Multiply it by the probability of success. It is 0.52 power 3. Times the probability of failure. It is 1 minus 0.52 power 4 minus 3. We got 1. You remember this formula?
Okay, could hang on. 4 times 4 power 3 times 0. Yeah, okay. Can you tell me a little bit more? I'm a little bit lost.
About the formula. She's above in the notebook. When we got a binomial distribution, yeah, just here, the probability of getting exactly X successes is equal to the combination NK times the probability of success for power the number of success times the probability of failure times the power the number of failure. Sorry. It is this formula I have applied below. Yeah. In our case, n equals 4 for triage, and we are trying to have exactly 3 success.
Yes. Ah, okay.
If you want there is a mistake, instead of k, it is x. Yeah, it's a mistake, sorry. And so, talking about our case, x equals 3, p equals 0.52, q equals 1 minus 0.52, 0.48. Okay. And now, if you compute the probability, this combination, this value, it is factorial 4 divided by factorial 2. You got 4 for this coefficient. So our probability equals 4 times 0.52 over 3. Of 0.
Ah, okay. Yes, I got it.
Yeah. Over 3 times 0.48. Normally, I should use the value above. Power 1. And now the probability okay. 1. Okay. 0.26999, but it is approximately what they found, 0.27. Is it good?
Yes. Yes, I got it.
All right.
Is it okay, we have one more question. So let's try the question 10. A multiple choice exam consists of 12 questions for each, having four possible answers. To pass, you must answer this 7 out of 10 correctly. What are the chances to passing if you go to exam without? That's very useful for me. Now I know how if I could pass it. Let me see. Okay. Oh, I think I have computed something like this before. So a multiple choice exam consists of 12 questions. So I will see 12, right? Each have 4 possible answers. No, wait. So it's a 12 and 4 actually. So is it what is how? Oh, hang on. Let me calculate 12 times 4 is 12 times 4 is 48. So let me clear this and I'll write this C48. Okay. Okay. So at least 7 out of 12 correctly. So basically we have the probability. Oh wait, that doesn't make sense. So first I'll write C12 and 7, right? So I need to get the 7 of this correctly. So so the probability of 0.25 and right.
You know, it is something very practical. Try to imagine the situation. They say that you are going to a multiple choice exam consisting of 20 questions, each question having 4 possible answers. Pass answer at least 7 out of 12 correctly.
So
Of passing if going to the exam without knowing a thing and research progressing. If you are guessing, what's your probability of success to find the right answer?
So probability. So so this each of these I have to times by 4 to get the probability.
The probability of success, if you are guessing, what is the probability of success? You take a question.
That's in 1.4.
1 divided by 4.
Yes,
Yeah.
for each question.
Yes, for each question. Now you do it for 12 questions.
Okay.
If you are succeeding, it means that you got at least 7 questions correct. It's again a binomial law, like before, with the probability of success 1 divided by 4 and 12 trias.
Hang on.
Now,
this is my answer, right?
yeah.
So, let me see. I'm so bad with this calculation. So basically, it is 0.25 times 12 is 4. Okay, so I have to get 4 questions. No 3.
It's not, what you are doing is right, but it's not only this probability you should compute. You should compute the probability that you got 7 correct answers, 8 correct answers, 9 correct answers, 10, 11, 12, and you make the sum.
Hang on. Let me think. Let me think about it again.
Okay.
So so each question. So okay. So let me write down. So the probability of each question is probably each question is 0.25. Okay.
So each question I have 0.25 chance of correct. So basically, if I need to get 7 questions correct, I just need to, right?
You pass if you get at least 7 questions correct.
Yes.
Not exactly.
So I
or
just,
maybe I understood.
so basically, if I base on this formula, I just need to get 0.25 square, no, power 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is my, to get the number of 7 questions correct, right? So let me see, 0.25 power 7. Could you help me type it in the notebook, please, so that we can calculate to see what this is? Oh, no, 0.25, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so so we need to get what? I'm so confused. Yes, so please help me. I'm lost.
I'm writing a later function for computing m k x of x. Okay. Okay. This function compute the this coefficient, this one, c'est nx. Normal, yeah. Well, then it's the probability. Yeah. The probability here, x here. 1 minus the probability of the power n minus the number of success. Okay. Did you agree with my formula? Or this one? Ram?
Yes. So this is, so it's the exact same formula as the above.
Yeah. There is this part first for the first coefficient, this one. I imported scipy.spatial.
Oh, okay. So it taking n x. Okay. So what is the n? The p? P is the probability, which is 1/4, right?
Success. Yes, probability of success 1 and 4. 1 divided by 4.
So what is the n? N is 12, right?
Yeah, the number of trials.
So x is 4, right? Wait, x is 7.
Yes, x is 7. If you take, yes, if you got exactly 7 questions right.
Okay. Could you help me like break it down? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got it. So basically, I just replace my x with 7 here, and
Yeah.
0.25. Okay. And so we don't have the q, right? We don't have the q here.
The q is computed directly 1 minus p.
1 minus 8.
Minus p.
Okay. So the question that is not correct. Okay, I see. So so basically we have
This is the probability of have exactly 7 questions right. Yeah, that is 7 questions right.
could you help me like break it down like this format in here?
Break it down.
Yes, I mean like
compute it line by line like this here. I'm still not sure like how to get this result. Like,
okay, like
yes. So for example, when you write like x equal 4, right? No, x equal 7.
okay.
Yes.
If you want,
Yeah, it will
x
help me a
equals
lot.
7,
It
equals
will be
0.
equal to 0.25. Yes. Q is 7, 8. Oh, Q is okay. Okay, I see. Q is the incorrect one. Probably.
Okay, for the probability, it is C set 12. This function does the job.
No. Can you help me like write down like how you compute C without the statistic formula?
Without the statistic formula.
Yes. So I mean like without the sci-pi formula. So it would be like 12 times. Let me guess. So it would be like 12 times 0.25 times 7 times that is. Why? Sorry, I'm confusing. So why do we have like different number like this, but then in the above one we doesn't have? So
I had, but I did it mentally in my head.
So in here, like you have like different thing like this.
Yes, I did it in my head. You know, we had C for 3, so it is 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial, which equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 3 times 2 times 1, which got 4. So why I wrote 4 here. This one is simplified. You got it?
Oh, so in this question, we also need to calculate this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sure.
Okay. Here, I'm doing it. This one will go, 4, 3 will go, the 2 will go, it remain 1 times 9 times 8 divided by okay. So here we got times p power p at power 7 times q at power 12 minus 7, 5. Okay, see, you got the same value. My function is right.
Let me, sorry, please give me a little bit so that I can understand. So,
so this one is basically, oh, sorry. So this one is basically C7 over 12, right?
Yeah, C12.7, yeah.
So this one is equal C7, okay. 12, 11.
If you want, I could write it better.
yes, please. I'm very losing the basic. Yeah, this is the result of skipping too much school. Don't remember anything.
Okay, got it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 7. Yeah. Okay, we got it. Now for the simplification, it is the first one is the numerator. The second one is the denominator. For the numerator, 12 factorial is 12 times 11 times 10 till 1. I could go till 1, but it's not necessary because I could stop there and add factorial because this will be simplified with this 7 factorial times. Yeah, you see?
Hang on.
This one will go, this one will go.
So why there is a 5? I thought that there's 4, right? 4 chance of getting it correct.
Okay, for the 5, it is 12 minus 5.
Okay, 5 is correct.
12 minus 7, sorry. Yeah, 12 minus 7.
Yeah, so 5 is correct. Okay, so hang on, give me a moment, please. Let me read this. So basically, when you have this formula, and you bring the 12 here, you doesn't calculate like 7 up there and 12 down there. So you bring the 12 first. Okay, and 7 you time 7 is the correct one. You time the incorrect one. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got it. Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Yes, so I think I understand this for this lesson. Let me send you the one for next lesson, then we can start more on probability. I have some more questions on probability actually.
But this one's not over. You have to compute it for x equals 7, x equals 8, x equals 9, till 12, and you make the sum.
Yes. Oh, you have to sum it.
Equals 0 for e in range 7 to 12 over my function and here is the proba 0.01425, where it is approximately the value they found. You got it?
Yes. Please help save this notebook. I'll double check it again. So
this is the notebook I sent you before. I just added below.
yes, that is the important part. That is the one that I find very difficult.
I rename it quiz stress with quiz 12 sheet.
Yes, thank you so much. You will help me.
Welcome.
Awesome. So on Saturday, let me see. What time would you be able to available for our lesson on Saturday?
On Saturday, I think that at the same time will be great.
Okay.
Around 6 p.m.
Would it possible if we move up like half an hour early, so it's 7?
7.
Yes.
That is later. Okay, 7 p.m.
Oh, okay, really? So around 6, 7 would be better for you? Or?
No, 7 is good. 7
Okay,
p.m.
so see you at 7. Thank you so much.
Okay. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. You too. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thanks.